Anyone who has worked with computers for any length of time will have run into the problem of a computer that won't boot because of a corrupt hard drive or some other reason. But worst of all, the sticker with the Windows product key is missing or unreadable, so now you can't reinstall Windows with the same valid key. For this tutorial, we will be using a bootable USB drive with Backtrack Linux on it. This will be used to recover the registry files from the unbootable system. I have a video tutorial covering how to create a bootable USB drive using UNetbootin. I will place a link on screen to open this tutorial. We will also need a copy of the open source program Enchanted Key Finder. Open a web browser like Internet Explorer. In the address bar, enter ekeyfinder.sourceforge.net and press enter. On the Enchanted Key Finder window that opens, click the download link. On the download page, click the latest download for Windows link. When asked what you want to do with the file, click the Save As button. On the Save As window that opens, select the desktop, and then click the Save button. We now need a copy of the Windows registry files from the system. The Windows registry files are located at c:/Windows/System32/config. If for some reason the live registry files are corrupted, there are backup copies in the regback folder that is within the config folder. We now need to use the USB drive with Backtrack on it to recover the registry files. I will place a link to another video tutorial on how to use the Backtrack USB drive to copy files from another computer. Follow this tutorial and recover the config folder. We now have Enchanted Key Finder and a copy of the registry files from the unbootable system. Now all we have to do is recover the product key. Find the eKeyfinder folder we saved to the desktop before. Open the eKeyfinder folder. Open the eKeyfinder folder. Double-click on keyfinder.exe. When prompted, click the Run button to just run the file from within the zip file. On the Open File Security Warning window, click the Run button. It will open the Enchanted Key Finder application window. By default, it connects to the local system on startup. Here we can see my Windows 7 Home Premium product key, as well as my Microsoft Office 2007 product information. This is great for a system that is up and running, but we're going to connect to a backup of the registry from the corrupted system. To connect to the backup, click the Tools menu, then Load Hive. On the Browse for Folder window that opens, browse to and select the config folder we backed up. And then click the OK button. It will then load the product key information from the backed up registry. In this case, the backed up registry only has a key for Microsoft Windows XP. If you have Office or other supported software, it will show here as well. Let's review the Windows XP information. It lists the version of Windows you have installed. In this case, it is Microsoft Windows XP Service Pack 3. Product part number is the part number of the media used to install Windows. Below this, it will tell you if it was installed from OEM media or full packaged product. It shows the product ID and the corresponding CD key. It also shows the computer name, registered owner, and registered organization. You can save this information out to a text file by clicking on the File menu, then Save As. You would then just browse to the location you want to save the information, and then click the Save button. You should now have the necessary information to create a bootable Backtrack USB drive, boot to the USB drive, recover the registry files, connect to the registry with eKeyfinder, and recover the product keys from supported software.